Happy Tuesday, lovelies! And today I'm making a special dinner, so I wanted to bring it to you. I'm making some baked chicken with some dressing, and no, I'm not gonna do baked macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna do rice, a little bit different because it's not Thanksgiving yet, but I guess obviously I got the vibe for Thanksgiving or something. But yeah, I just cooked the chicken. I cleaned it, of course. I didn't show you guys that part because if you're a cook, you know what to do. Then you season it and all that good stuff. And that was just like something like I'm sure you guys who cook often know. So hopefully I'll be able to send, give you the completed, you know, video after everything's done. Right now I have these going for like an hour and a half at 450. I'm not cooking on my big stove. I'm just putting it in a little conventional oven that I have. The one by Drew Barrymore, beautiful oven, which bakes everything really good. And then, I'll come back to you guys when mostly everything is done. All right. Okay, and another thing I'm going to do is put the broccoli inside of the stuffing. I know you probably like, what is that? Never heard of that before. Then we're going to have these delicious Hawaiian rolls. Mom, I got to eat these before you come back. Don't worry, I'll rebuy them. And when you come for dinner, you have them again. Thank you for buying them for me in the first place. So anyway, I got to throw that in there. She was like, I thought you saved those rolls for us. But anyway, yeah, I decided to have like this big dinner for whatever reason. Just felt like cooking, I guess. So I'm going to put the broccoli inside of the stuffing, cook that up. Then the Hawaiian rolls, they're still frozen. Chicken, of course, is cooking. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. And we're going to add some rice to the side too. So the rice is in like a 90-minute microwavable bag I get this from Target. So you can just find all of that like in their prepackaged rice aisles or whatever. You put it in the microwave. You put your own seasonings on it. You have to put seasoning, guys, because when you take it out of the package, it is so bland. So you definitely have to season it when you get it out of the package and put it in a bowl and stuff. But it's very good rice. I stand by it. It's just like minute rice, but it's quicker. When you don't want to, you've done all this cooking already, you don't really want to waste maybe 30 or 25 more minutes on rice. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So I'll get back to you guys. Okay, lovelies, I wanted to bring you what I've done to the broccoli with the stuffing mixed. So far, I'm going to put it in my rice cooker. Think of this as a one-pot meal, too. You can actually do this without the chicken if you wanted to. Something quick and easy. So I put butter in there. I put my seasonings, of course. Let me show you the ones I always use. Onion powder, garlic powder. That's basically all I use. If you guys can think of something else that I can use, put that too. I know that's slap your mama, but that's a little bit spicy for me and it has too much sodium. So I try to stay from all like a lot of sodium type stuff because I try to eat a little healthy, especially since I like potato chips and I'm a snacker. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta do half and half. You know what I mean? So anyway, this is gonna be a great dinner. I'm gonna cook this right quick. I just wanted you to see it looks bad right now, but let's hope when it's plated up, it's gonna look and taste delicious. Okay? Okay, lovelies, it kind of turned into a soup, and I already tasted it, and it's delicious. I didn't really plan for it to turn out this way. I think I added too much water, but it still turned out good, and I think hopefully my kids will love it. They don't like broccoli, but this is a way for me to throw in some veggies without them kind of knowing, So that's a good way, and it smells and looks delicious. I wish you guys had a smell cam. Kind of stuck to the pot because this pot is crazy, but anyway, yeah, turn it to like, a broccoli soup, I want to say. Like a broccoli stuffing soup. I never made that, but made it today, and it's delicious. All right, lovelies. Oh, let me just show you what's happening with the chicken. Okay, this is the chicken update. It's got about another 45 minutes or so to go, so yeah, that's the chicken update. And then when everything plated, I will show you a completed plate. All right, loves. Okay, this is what I was telling you all about with the rice, Good and Gather organic rice. It's jasmine rice, 90 seconds. You can either put this in the microwave or you can put it on the stove top. Just make sure you add seasonings. They don't pre-season it for you, so you have to, put your butter in, your seasonings, all of what you like. Then I have to make the bread, of course. I will give you also an update on the chicken right now. And there's the delicious looking chicken. All right, so basically that's it. So I'm just going to insert a picture when everything's all done. And make sure you like this video, and we love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.